Good luck on your board examinations. We know you will make it 100%. That concludes this year's spinning ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, let us pause for a few minutes as we prepare for the next part of our program, the Vaya con Dios, a tribute to parents. Dear parents, you may now take your seats. Vaya con Dios, a tribute to parents. Tonight, our program is especially dedicated to the people behind the success of our 819 graduating students, the wind beneath their wings. To formally welcome us in this evening's affair, let us put our hands together for the mother of all mothers in the AUF College of Nursing, our Dean, Dr. Zenaida S. Fernandez.
Dr. Ricardo P. Pama, our University President, University officials, fellow faculty members, dear parents, dear students, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. The university acknowledges we accepted a total of 1,413 freshman students. And because of the stringent policies in promotion and retention, only 819 were known. We are very proud to share with you that the College of Nursing is one of our premier colleges which continue to bring honor and prestige to the university. Since its founding year in 1971, about 5,864 graduates have been produced and who are now gainfully employed here and abroad. Of this number, 139 were board top-notchers, while 270 graduated magna cum laude or cum laude. This particular batch, ito pong inyong mga anak, na ulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa inyo, the Sikanan 2009 had ranked second place nationwide among nursing schools when they took the nursing aptitude test in 2006. Which is why we are hoping to make a 100% passing percentage in the forthcoming. Excited po in the forthcoming licensure examinations for nurses this June. Alam niyo naman, di po ba, kaya ang tawag sa akin crying din. Kung natatandaan ninyo, last February 14, nung nag-meeting po tayo, pinag-uusapan natin yung preparation para sa graduation, para sa board exam. Ang sabi ko po sa inyo, anytime this week or next week, mag-release yung board exam ng batch 2008. At sabi ko, tulungan nyo kami magdasal. Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga dasal dahil sila ay nag-90% at second place nationwide with 600 or more examinees. At nakapag-produce po tayo ng 4 na top 10, rank 4, 7, 9, and 10, and 26 na top 20 from rank 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, meron po tayong pumasok doon sa rank na yun. Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga kasama. Pasensya na po kayo, no? Kaya ganito po yung boses ko, simula na release yung board exam. Sigaw kami ng sigaw, kaya hindi ko na nabawi. The university shall reward almost 1 million pesos during the testimonial luncheon convocation that will be tendered in their honor on March 25 next week. For your information, AUF rewards the board top notchers starting with 5,000 to top 20 up to 100,000 to top 1. So, compute po ninyo doon sa 30 board top notchers, hindi pa naman po mababankrupt ng AUF dahil yung batch 2009 ay pilit sila ang magbabankrupt sa College of Nursing. So, though nasa labas po yung ating mga anak, Sikanan, we challenge you to do even better. And we firmly believe that they can make it, you can make it. Our nursing alumni continue to earn accolades for their professional expertise, dedication to duty, and compassion as healthcare providers. My dear graduates, you have contributed countless feathers to the Nursing Act, and for that, I am very thankful to all of you. Again, I wish to reiterate my personal appeal to Sikanan 2009. Give your best in the upcoming board exam, and I hope really that you can register a 100% passing mark. Bangladesh University Foundation, College of Nursing are behind you and would be praying for your success. Dear parents, your children's graduation is already itself a big achievement you can truly be proud of. For this, you definitely deserve a resounding